Hey YouTube, what is going on? This is Phil with What a Great Deal. Also here on the Slate Family Adventures channel, our travel agency channel. Going to be getting some of the travel videos up real soon. In the meantime, it is time for a new Pro Wrestling Crate video. Got the new box in. Let's do it. Alright, so new intro, new box, new location. We're going to see how this plays out. I know the birds are a little bit noisy this morning, but we're going to see how this works out to be outside enjoying the summer a little bit for the next couple of videos that we do of these. Spoiler alert, tried this in the camper last night. Lighting was terrible, so I actually already know the contents. That's why the tape is already broken. So I'm going ahead and just go through the video, show you guys the items real quick, see what I think about all of them. So I've already seen all of it, so it doesn't matter about the spoiler card. Next month's crate's going to feature Mark Henry, Roddy Piper, Jay White, Danhausen, Bully Ray, Medusa, and a special 4th of July themed video. This is the May crate here. That will be the June crate that will be coming out. You usually get it around the 24th, 23rd of the month, something like that. So that's why they're probably going to have the 4th of July themed thing, because you're going to get it about a week and a half, 2 weeks before 4th of July. I get the regular crate. It is $29.95. You get 2 t-shirts, an autographed 8x10, plus all the other items in between. There are other options. We'll go over that in a few. The first shirt in this month's crate, Brian Pillman, Loose Cannon. Beautiful design. Really like the coloring of it. It's a really nice, it's more of a different screen print than what they normally do. The graphics normally are like your typical, you can feel kind of the roughness of it. This is very smooth, almost like it was designed in the shirt itself. And so it's a kind of a neat change that they've done for this particular shirt. Pro Wrestling Tees King of Soft Style sticker. It looks like a title belt. Pro Wrestling Tees is the company that makes this Pro Wrestling Crate each month, and it is a promotional sticker essentially for their own business. The second shirt, Jake the Snake Roberts. Check that out. Pretty cool graphic. I'll be honest with you, not one for me, so I will be listing the Jake shirt up online. The Iron Sheik micro brawlers. Now there are normally 250 chase variants of this that you can possibly get. The chase variants, if you resell, sell for a lot more. The non-chase variants still sell for about $13–15 usually. Sheik, I believe, is going to probably be around the $20 range for his, just because everybody loves Sheik. If you don't get easily offended and want a good laugh, go check out the Sheik's Twitter. I don't know the handle right offhand, but it is a great read if you don't get easily offended, and he gives his opinion on things going on in the world, and especially of Hulk Hogan still carrying the feud all these years later. The next to last items in here, Amy Dumas, aka Lita, her comic book. They've done a lot of these comic books lately, and I'll show it over here. It's pretty good quality as far as a comic goes, but it's they've been doing them for Thunder Rosa and a couple of others lately that it's just, I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm not a comic book guy, it doesn't appeal to me that much, but not my favorite thing. Now, there's 2 things left. The item that's normally something like a DVD or whatnot that they throw extra in the crates, and the autographed 8x10. Both of these had me excited beyond belief whenever I opened this up, because the extra item this month, instead of a DVD, is a Dark Order mask. Dark Order is killing it in AEW right now. They had Brody Lee as the Exalted One, and now they're kind of somewhat affiliated loosely with Sting and Darby Allin, getting that rub. And the guys in the group are just killing it, coming out every week. The videos on YouTube that they do on BTE and the Sammy Guevara vlog, hilarious. If you don't watch those, check it out. Oh yeah, the pin. Forgot the pin for this month. IRS, pay your taxes. IRS is Mike Rotundo. He is Bray Wyatt's dad, Bo Dallas's dad, and one of my earliest wrestling memories. He was part of the Varsity Club. They were beating down Dr. Death Steve Williams, and as they were doing so, Dr. Death started doing the Hulk up. I saw my dad watching that. Hooked on wrestling from then on. That's how I've been doing it all these years. So, other than the mask, it came down to the 8x10, and when I was originally unboxing this yesterday, I had done the math, and there was one person I was anxious to see what the item was for this month, and I knew I hadn't seen it in any of the other stuff, so I already knew who this was. So I'm going to ask it the same way that I asked yesterday. You guys tell me, does this guy have kids? Heath Slater. It is an autographed 8x10, has a certificate stamp on it. Heath is, in my opinion, probably the most underrated guy that was in WWE in recent time. He could work with anyone. And when I say work, it's a wrestling term. The old school thing of Ric Flair that he was the best is that he could put anybody over and make it look like they're killing him, selling everything that they were doing to him. Heath Slater has so much of that in him, and he was getting better on the mic. Why Vince didn't follow through more with him is beyond me, but Heath Slater, big fan of him, so happy to have gotten an 8x10 autograph of him. So I'm going to show this camera the card, and you can kind of see everything that's on there. The Brian Pillman loose cannon shirt, the Jake Roberts Python shirt, Iron Sheik Micro Brawler, Lita comic book, Heath Slater 8x10, IRS Lapel pin, the Iron Sheik or Dark Order mask, and the Pro Wrestling Tees sticker. So when you get this crate, and I get the regular crate, you can see all the different blue boxes in every one of these. That tells you that it is what you would get in a regular crate for $29.95, plus about $5 shipping, so it comes up to like $35. You can also choose the Cheap Heat, Mid Card, or Tag Team. Cheap Heat is the orange boxes, so that gets you a few of the items. The Tag Team is just getting the 2 t-shirts. And then the mid card, I believe, is the one that gets you for $15 the autographed 8x10 and both t-shirts. No, 1 t-shirt and an autographed 8x10 for the mid card for $15. So 1 shirt and an autographed 8x10 for $15. For $15 more, you can get the other shirt and everything else in it for the regular crate. That's why I do it. Prime example. These shirts are $15 to $20 each. The mask is probably going to be $30 to $40. Everybody loves the Dark Order right now. So you figure 20 and 20 for the shirts, 40 for the mask. That's $80 right there, not counting the Iron Sheik Micro Brawler, the comic book, which, you know, it is what it is. The autographed 8x10. Definitely a lot of ground for resale in this box. So we will definitely list some of this stuff. More than enough to make money off of it and still keep a few. I'm not keeping either of the shirts, I don't believe. Maybe the Brian Pillman one, but we'll see. Be sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you liked in this crate, what you didn't like in this crate. If you have any questions about the crates, because I have a link in the description below that'll let you go ahead and be able to get your own subscription to it going on. I do get a referral, like after I get like 6 people referred, I get a free month subscription. So like 1 month free of $29.95 basically. But honestly, I just want to see who else gets it, just because we can chit chat and share items, trade items out, things of that nature if somebody's a big fan of something. So be sure to check that link out. So I have another package that's supposed to be coming today. That's why I kind of keep looking over. I see people coming over by the gate, seeing if it was a delivery person bringing the other crate that I want to open up for you guys. I ordered a box of wrestling related items online from an auction site, not eBay. But I'm super excited to get it when it comes in and go through that content with you. And we'll get that video up as soon as we receive those items. Like, subscribe, hit that little bell notification. Let us know you like what you're seeing, and also lets YouTube put it out there for everybody else. So peace late, peace out.